In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a Gmail account to your Mail app on your iPhone. To add a Gmail account to your iPhone, we are going to be making use of the Mail app from the iPhone. So what you want to do, you want to open up the Mail app that comes with your iPhone. So let's open that up. So once you open up the Mail app, it's going to show you this page. So on here, I want you to tap on Google because we are making use of the Google Gmail. So let's tap on Google here. So once you tap on Google, it will load up this page for you. On this page, what you want to do on here, where it says email or phone, you just want to type in your Gmail here. So let's put in our email in this box. So once you put in your Gmail here, if you look at the bottom right corner, you're going to see where it says next. I want you to tap on that next. So once you tap on next, it will show you another page. On this page, it will ask you to put in your password. So you just want to put in the Gmail password. Once you put in your Gmail password, you just want to tap on next, and this Gmail will be added to your Mail app on your iPhone. So you can receive mails, send emails from this Mail app easily. So guys, this is how you can actually add a Gmail account to your Mail app on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.